welcome to STEM Creations. I'm Miss Andreea and today we're gonna do water music. So how do we make water music? We're gonna start with 6 bottles made of glass and you're gonna put water in them starting with the least amount of water and then you're gonna add more almost to the last one that it's almost full. So in our first experiment, you are gonna blow air on the top of your bottles and that will create different sound pitches from each bottle. Did you like it? You have to try it. So I want you to notice that with our bottles, if you tried, the bottle that has the most amount of water and the least air, when you blow into it, is gonna have the highest pitch, like that. Alright, and the bottle that has the least water and the most air is gonna make a lower pitch, okay? Like this. Did you see it? It sounds like a ship, yes? Our second experiment will be to tap each bottle with a little spoon and see what kind of sounds we get. So in this case, you will see we're going to get the opposite effect. So here, all right. So how are these sounds created? Sound is a type of energy made by vibration. So when an object vibrates, it moves the molecules around it, and these molecules then they disturb the next molecules that are close to them, and so on. So this is called the chain reaction, and the chain reaction stops when the molecules run out of energy. Now let's make some more music. All right, here we go. La 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 la. La 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 la. Do you like it? I think it's fun. Try it at home and let me know how it went. Yay! Next, I'm gonna show you our second experiment, which is an underwater volcano, and this is a water experiment. Now let's do our underwater volcano experiment. For this you need a big bowl filled with cold water and a glass bottle filled with very hot water. This experiment is going to show you how hot water moves through the cold water, which is also called convection. The hot water has a lighter density than the cold water, and the molecules from the hot water, they have a higher energy and they move faster, and once they are placed into the cold water, they dissipate, they go up to the top and give energy to the molecules around them. So to show better this experiment, I'm gonna use some food coloring, and we're gonna put it in the bottle with the very hot water, and I'm gonna make it dark, like a dark color. And then I'm gonna submerge it into the cold water, and you're gonna see the process that the warm water raises at the top and looks like a underwater volcano. It's pretty cool. All right, so now we are gonna put it here. And I'm gonna let it here. Do you see it? Green water just at the top, because the density of the hot water is makes the water stay at the top of the cold water, and little by little this color is gonna drop to the bottom of the bowl. At the end of our experiment, the caloric energy of molecules in both containers has balanced. That means the temperature is the same in the bottle and in the bowl, which results in a green color that is uniform from the top to bottom. I will see you next time when we are going to make music with all kinds of technologies and electronics. Bye bye!